Hi all, very good evening. Today's video we are going to see the Cambric 3-piece cotton set, that too in A-line format. So A-line நிறைய பேருக்கு பிடிச்சமான ஒரு collection. So அதுல வந்து you have this 2.25 meter pure Cambric cotton shawl along with this neck embroidery all over the neck part. So அது மட்டும் இல்லாம உங்களுக்கு straight pant-ம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இதுல sizes availability வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா M to 3XL available, which is pure cotton lovers. Definitely you can grab this collections. So the top is panel cut. So நிறைய பேர் A-line and panel cut கேக்கீங்க. Top வந்து panel cutல இருக்கு. Screenshot பண்ணி screenல கொடுத்திருக்கிற WhatsApp நம்பருக்கு orders place பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Another beautiful color is like copper sulfate green color. So idume vandu same pattern. Size availability M to 3XL. Please take a screenshot. The next beautiful color with ajrak print, which is a dark green color. This is pure form of cotton and it's also a professional collection. Definitely do grab this if you like this collection. One more beautiful color, which is parrot green color, and idhula vandu ungalku pant liyum pocket kadiyadu, top liyum pocket kadiyadu, without pocket, and you don't have drawstrings in pant also. So it's a normal elastic type pant with pure cotton shawl and bottom. You can have the reference over here, and the measurements are all given on the screen. Please take a screenshot. One more excellent and different color, which is beautiful maroon color. Neck pattern ரொம்ப beautiful கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரியான ஒரு shawl. Please do take a screenshot. Last and final color of this episode, which is like blue and gray color கலந்த ஒரு combination, which is quite different and looks very professional and pretty color combo. Please do take a screenshot and WhatsApp to the given number. So along with this screenshot booking பண்றவங்களுக்கு ஒரு 20 rupees discount கொடுத்துடலாமா? So வேணும்ன்றவங்க இந்த shotsல இருந்து screenshot எடுத்து order place பண்ணீங்கன்னா you'll get this price beautiful 3-piece set for around 880 only. Single set free shipping pan India. Please do follow us for more collections. Thank you.